Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm BJ, this is Brickhouse Builds, and today we are back on the GL650 project here you see. And in this episode, we're simply just bolting stuff on, we're wiring some things up, we're just kind of getting all the pieces together that all of the endless videos of me painting and whatnot have been over. So stick around, enjoy the video. That sure is a nice starter down there. Be a real shame if I installed it without the damn gear. Alright, quick update here on the progress of the bike. So I did actually just go ahead and pull the starter back off, put the gear back on it before putting it back in. So anyway, the engine's hung in the frame, and you'll notice that the valve covers are still kind of grimy. There's still like the grimy clutch cover and oil filter housing. I am going to pull those off, but it does make life a little bit easier when it's just mounted on the engine. And they're easily accessible right now, instead of just having the engine on the bench or something like that. You know, limited workspace problems. So anyway, what I still have to do is the oil pan gasket, obviously clean and paint the clutch cover and oil filter housing. I have a new oil filter, clutch push rod seal to go in. I have all new seals or O-rings for the coolant tubes. Those are currently painted and ready to go on. I'm out of time for tonight though. And you saw I went ahead and I got the coolant bottle in here, or the expansion tank, or the expansion bottle, or overflow bottle. So that's in. I do need to actually repaint the metal hose here. Paint didn't come out as awesome as I wanted, so a little pitted, whatever. We'll fix that. But overall, chassis is a roller. We have the brakes on this thing. I'm waiting on some different brake lines. I just don't like how those were fitting. Plus them just being 1983, it's just a good upgrade to have some braided lines. So better braking pressure. You see we got the bars assembled here, all the controls. The controls will come back off because I do plan to modify the harness. And right now they're just on here for mock-up. You know, I had to drill the bars and pin them to make sure they accepted the controls and they're clocked right. But yeah, making progress. It doesn't really, it might not look like it's moving forward all that much, but it's all these little, all these little piddly steps that must be taken. So just detailing parts, cleaning things, changing gaskets, changing seals. It's just, yeah, the stuff you got to do. We don't want a big leaky mess here. We want a good bike. We want it to be mechanically sound. So cleaning everything that we can. So anyway, on to the next job. Popular today. Look at this. I got two shop dogs in here. Evan and Ben, who's going away. Oh, he's come back doing laps around the bike. It's Happy Dog. Happy Dog. You guys gonna help me? We got excited. Okay, we're gonna put gloves on, and then we're gonna get to work. Alright, so getting ready to put the tail light on here. Got it centered on the light itself. I have a little center mark on the frame. I went ahead and put heat shrink all the way down the section of wire that's going to be within the tube here. There's a hole drilled right here, and that's going to be our exit. So along the wire, I have a piece of safety wire. So I'm going to feed this through first. We're going to use this to pull it through. Alright, this part is obviously the most tricky. I've already gone and I've put acetone in here, so the surface for adhesion is clean. I'll go ahead and peel this off, and then we'll start applying heat. Looks good. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. We got a lot of things done, just getting things painted, detailed, and then finally getting them back on the bike. Whether it be the painting the inner splash guard here that was a textured under a truck bed coating there. You know, we got the tail light, we got that heated up and adhered in the relief. Link there to how I did that relief in the rear hoop. We got the valve covers painted. We also have the clutch cover painted. We have a new seal in this, all new gaskets, along with the oil filter housing. So anyway, just making progress on this thing, doing all the detail work, and coming up soon, we're finally going to get to the point where I'm going to start wiring this bike. And this is not going to be like the last CX500 with like a full-blown custom harness. This is going to be more of just kind of reworking the original harness. We're not going to have to make many changes, but reworking the original harness to work with some new layouts, some new controls, and some new components on here. So stick around and look for that video. If you like this video and this is the first time here, definitely check out some other stuff I have on the channel. There's a variety of content, I like to think. And if you enjoy it, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. If this is not the first time here and you're enjoying the videos and you want to help out maybe a little bit more, there's a tip jar down below, and there's also, of course, my website where you can order hats, t-shirts, hoodies, sticker packs, none of which I have on right now because I'm sweating through probably my third shirt today. So anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. Hope you guys like this one. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.